In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank statements in Xero. Before we get started, a quick reminder. Deleting bank statements is permanent, and it can affect your reconciliations and reports. Make sure you really want to remove a statement, and if possible, download a backup or confirm with your accountant first. Let's begin inside your Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Find the Accounting tab. This is where Xero keeps all of your core financial areas like bank accounts, reports, and more. Go ahead and click on Accounting to open the drop-down menu. From that drop-down, choose Bank Accounts. This will take you to a page that lists all the bank accounts you've set up in Xero, such as current accounts, savings, credit cards, or any other connected accounts. Take a moment to locate the specific bank account that holds the statement you want to delete. It's important to choose the correct one so you don't remove the wrong data. Once you've found the right bank account, look for the Manage Account option associated with that account. This is usually displayed as a small menu or button next to the account name or balance. Click on Manage Account. This menu gives you tools to import, export, and manage statements and other bank-related settings. From the Manage Account menu, select Bank Statements. This will open a dedicated page that shows all the statements Xero has for that particular bank account. Here, you'll typically see a list of imported or automatically fed statements, usually grouped by date range or statement period. Now carefully review the list of statements. Identify the specific statement you want to delete. Pay close attention to the date range and the statement balance so you're sure you're working with the correct one. When you've found it, select that statement. Depending on your Xero setup, this might mean clicking a link, a checkbox, or the statement line itself to open its details. Once the statement is selected and you're certain it's the one you want to remove, you would proceed with the delete option provided on that screen. After deleting, it's a good idea to double check your bank reconciliation and reports to ensure everything still looks as expected. And that's the process for finding and selecting a bank statement in Xero so you can delete it safely and accurately.